Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you want to study a world famous university, Al-Azhar University, especially Islamic education, then this video is very useful for you. If you want to study Quran, Tafsir, Hadith, Fiqh, Arabic language, then I welcome to you for an Al-Azhar University. If you want to all these things study online, don't worry, our team will teach you online all these things, and Al-Azhar scholar will teach you all these things online. And if you want to study in Al-Azhar University in Egypt, then you can also come with like this method. First of all, if you have any degree that is affiliated with the Al-Azhar University, very few institutes are related with the Al-Azhar University. If you have one of them degree, then you can go to the foreign affair of your and take a stamp from foreign affair, and you can come here then for the next level. If you don't have any degree, don't worry, you can also come for studying in Al-Azhar University. Al-Azhar University accept you, but different is you will start study from beginning. From beginning you will study Islamic education or Arabic language. This method of this method is, first of all, you will take tourist visa for 10 days or 15 days for the Egypt. Then you will come here and you will go, first of all, Ministry of Migration and Foreign Affairs in Egypt. You will take a stamp on your passport like this. Then you will go to the embassy of your country in Egypt. You will take NOC from your embassy like this. Then you will go to the Madinatul Bu'us, it means Islamic Mission City, and you will take to form like this. You will fill this, and then you will go to the Hospital Hussein, and you will take the blood test and stomach test and eyes test like this, and then you will submit in Islamic Mission City. After submitting 5 days, your name will be announced and you will be a student of Al-Azhar. If you have any question and about study, and if you have a problem getting the visa, you can also contact, mention the description number, and I will help you in all these things.